March, what is it, March the 8th. And we got still quite a bit of snow here. It's 10 below 0 Celsius here today. Something like that. The sun's kind of off and on. Lots of wind from the north, so we got a visitor for the last few hours. I'll take you over to meet him. Big old barn owl. Been sucking up the sun here on a cedar tree branch. It's been here all day. Just in a nice spot where you can suck up the sun. If a mouse runs across or a mole runs across, you can jump down and have a nice meal. Pretty big bird. They've been doing some logging up the road there. They took out I don't know, 8-9 acres worth of brush, and maybe this guy got displaced from up there, showed up here. He's a big guy. Hopefully you can see him all right. He's watching me, even though you can't tell. His eyes are just squinting. Oh, there it is. There's the sunshine. Oh, that feels good. Yay. Maybe he'll turn his head for us. Big bird. He's comfortable. He's not afraid. Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Out for now.